you were trying to lose weight. What are you eating? It's homemade applesauce. Well, how do you make that? Here, let me show you how. Are you trying to lose weight? Finding yourself hungry most of the time, but you're not quite sure what to eat that won't ruin your efforts? Hey, Tressey here, talking about the connection between digestion, fat loss, and wellness. When fat loss is the goal, the very best snack is one that banishes cravings, that's low in calories, and it needs to taste good. Instead of reaching for chips, cookies, or anything that will later have you feeling upset or beating yourself up, make this super easy, tasty, ab and digestion friendly snack. Applesauce is not just for babies. What makes this applesauce so great is that it's homemade and it includes the very best digestive spices, which are great for wellness, and it's a contributing factor to having flat abs. Are you ready? You will need 4 large Granny Smith apples, 4 Honeycrisp apples, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom, 1/8 teaspoon of ginger powder, or 1/4 teaspoon of ginger root. Hey guys, so I've already added in the 1 cup of water, the lemon juice, and the spices. Now it's time to put in the apples that are peeled and chopped. Mix the apples around to incorporate the water and all of the spices on it. Grab your lid for your InstantPot, secure it, go to pressure cook, and we are going to allow these to cook for 8 minutes is all we need. And there you go. Fun apple facts. There are 7,500 different types of apples. They are high in soluble fiber, reduce inflammation, and they help to stabilize our blood sugar. Apples, when cooked, are easier to digest, and apple juice was one of the first prescribed antidepressants. All right, the snack is all ready. Let's go inside. If you like your applesauce chunky, you could leave it just like this, or you can use a masher to mash it up so that it's not as chunky. Personally, I like a smoother consistency, so I am going to transfer this to the blender and get it nice and smooth. Ooh, this smells so divine. Oh my, look at that. You then take this, place it in a bowl, and allow it to cool before you store it away. Homemade applesauce will last for 7 to 10 days. That's good. And it's warm. Health warriors, I challenge you to make applesauce your new favorite snack. Have a cup of it every single day. Because health, it starts within. To see you every single week. I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's jump right into how I use food to tighten my loose belly.